Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be showing you how I remove people from pictures. A lot of places we go don't have people, but sometimes when we do go like to a public area that's popular, people are in the image no matter what. We don't really want to wait 2 hours just to get a picture without people, but there's a way to get them out in editing. So let's hop into Lightroom and see what we can do. So here I have a picture that I took. It's nothing fancy, but it's just a good example of a lot of people in the picture. I've edited everything the way I want other than the people, so let's see what we can do. So as you can see, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people in this water, and I really only want it to be Miles here. So what you do is you go up to this, the clone or heal area, and you can just select your size right here. It varies every single time I use it, and with the one person areas, you can just click it, adjust where you want this thing to go, there, click, and then with these 2 people, I'm just gonna swipe alongside them, and you can adjust where you want the heel to come from to make it look way more natural. I think right there is good, so I'm going to zoom in a little bit to these people back here. Wait for the picture to load, bring down my scale just a bit and slide it. Just do the same for every single one. And see right there, it took it from another person, and we don't want to clone this person, we want this person gone. So I just adjusted that. Take this one out too. A lot of time you can just one tap and the edit will be good, but sometimes it makes just a mistake that doesn't look natural at all, and you can just adjust where you want it to be. I'm not going to take everyone out of the land just because there's too many. You could do that, but it'd be really time consuming. And see, look at that, looks miles better. Miles. With no one in the water, it's just so much better. There's no distracting areas. It looks like Miles, and over here you can hardly even notice these people unless you stare at the image for a while. Yeah, that's how you take people out of images in Final Cut Lightroom. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend if you thought it was helpful. Check out some of the other content, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.